Hi guys, latest upgrade is a complete under chassis bar from ultraracing. Um, I have yet to install the front subframe, which is a 5 point subframe bar that's over there. I have also installed the strut tower bars that are in front. Can't see it now, but I will give you a video on it later on. Hi YouTube, just following up with the completion of my full set of ultra racing bars underneath my Airtrek. Yeah. And the only top mount, the only bar that I've installed that is above the chassis is this front strut tower bar. I've had to redo my oil catcher radiator bubble tank to a smaller size just to fit this strut tower bar, and it was well worth it. Sorry, the engine bay is very dirty. I have yet to clean it since I've brought it back from the workshop, but yeah, with the complimentary leaf across my ABS pump and my fuel pressure regulator, I've got to clean this engine bay up. My OCD is hitting me real hard. But anyways, I don't know whether I did any videos or spoke about including these heat shields in, which are a very nice aesthetic presentation, gives a nice aesthetic presentation to the engine bay. Just to cut the long story short, it was very well worth it. Now that I have complete under chassis reinforcement bars, as well as this top strut tower bar, the car is very stiff now. With the addition of my fender bars, it is very stiff. I can feel the tire wall flexing and the suspension doing its work. The chassis has very little deflection and very little flex at the moment. Here's a view from the back underneath my car. It's really impressive the amount of chassis bars that Ultra Racing makes for this car. Everything works. I really enjoy driving the car now. The car is stiff, very responsive. Steering feels better. Steering response is better. Can really feel the suspension working, and the car drives very solid. I love it. Thank you.